Hello, good evening all. Yes, audible ആണോ? Started. Okay, good evening all. Audible ആണോ? Just നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് comment സെക്ഷനിൽ ഒന്ന് അറിയിക്കാവോ? Yes. Japan's Prime Minister Shiba resign after election defeat. Okay. Yes, Hari Vignesh Ajmal. ഓക്കെ ഓഡിബിൾ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മളിന്ന് കുറച്ച് ലേറ്റായി സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, മാക്സിമം എത്ര പേര് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുമെന്ന് നോക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, എന്നിട്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, ഗോൾഡിൽ നിന്ന് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. എല്ലാവരുടെയും ഒരു അഭിപ്രായം എന്താണ്? സൗണ്ട് ക്ലിയർ? ഓക്കെ. സോ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീക്ക് നമുക്ക് ഫോറക്സ് ഫാക്ടറിയിൽ വി ക്യാൻ ചെക്ക് ദ ന്യൂസസ്, ഓൾ ദ അപ്കമിങ് പ്രീ പ്ലാൻഡ് ന്യൂസസ് വി ക്യാൻ ചെക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് from the September 8 Monday to Friday 8 to 12. Okay, so after that we can comes to the chart, our technical analysis. Okay, so we can just check. Yeah, okay, കുറച്ച് ലേറ്റ് ആയി നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ. Anyway, we can start from the forex factory. So we can see that on Monday there is no high impact newses, and also in Tuesday we can see there is no high impact newses. Okay, and on Wednesday we can see it's Wednesday is the mid of the week. We can see core PPI and PPI on 4:30. That is, there is a high impact news on US dollar. Okay, so next if it comes to the Thursday, we can see there is a high impact news on US dollar. That is, and also in euro. Monetary policy statement are there, and main refinancing rate and core CPI, CPI, unemployment news are there. Okay, so that is Thursday, almost mid of the week. Okay, next if it comes to the Friday, we can see there is also another high impact news on the Friday. Okay, so we can see after the mid of the week there is lot of news coming in this week. So the same momentum, there will be lot of liquidity will comes to the market. So we can see high volatility in the market. Okay, so next we can comes to the chart. Okay, so first I'm starting from the gold. Just a second. Yes, so first we can start from the gold. So what is your opinion on gold? Is it really hit? I think already market hits 3600. That is a rounded figure, right? So you can see this is the movement we can see in the gold. So in previous, if you check in the previous chart, you can see the previous all-time high was like 3500, and again we market is comes rejecting from the 3600. It is a rounded figure, that's why market is rejecting from 3600 level. Okay, so if I comes to the chart, you can see this is a 4-hour time frame. So I am coming to the full screen. You can see the last 4-hour candle was like a like what we can say, last 4-hour candle was like a bearish candle, and also it didn't break the previous high, and we can see market created a fresh zone. Okay, so next I'm coming to 2-hour time frame. Let's check what happening. We can see like a morning star pattern created on the, like a bearish engulfing pattern created in the last 2 hours. Okay, so this candle is opened on 11 p.m. and at Friday. After that market directly came down, right? And you can see this is the 5 p.m. candle, opening candle. So again I'm coming to 1-hour time frame. Again I'm coming to 1-hour time frame, and we can see that this was a high that created on 6 p.m. and at 8 p.m. market just take that high and trying to come down. Okay, so this is a huge bearish candle that we can see. So next weekend comes to 30 minutes again, and yeah, so now market is trying to come down, right? So here we can expect a fall because this is the third wave that is already market hit the 1.618, and if you check higher time frame like 4 hour 4 hour time frame lotu vannu kazhinjal we can see this is the chart, and I'm taking a fresh chart that would be better for you guys to understand. Okay, so I'm taking a fresh chart saying like, okay, so just removing this. Okay, so here we can see market just created a double bottom, right? Okay, so this was a sideways market, so it was a consolidated market, and here if we are plotting the XABCD, you can see this is X A B C, and we can see 1.618 zone was almost here, right? Right. Okay, and again we can see in a higher time frame, like if here comes to the daily time frame, we can see again an XABCD. It is also looks like W pattern, right? It's like a deep crab, but this is a like 1.618 zone. Okay, so from here we can expect a correction. This is a correction zone. Okay, so if I just measure the correction, this was the previous correction that happened before. If I just plot it, see, this was the correction that is happened. This is a 3500 all-time high before, and again after 3500 touches, market again comes to the 3121 level. So this was the height, and if I take this height, this we can see the same movement. It's like a mirror movement. So at least we can expect a correction from this zone. Okay, at least we can take this as a zone. This 1.618 zone. Okay, so next correction we can expect from this zone, and that's 3600 is also like a rounded figure. Okay, so what we can expect, what will be the next movement? Okay, so in smaller time frame we can see there is no change of character. Market didn't create a change of character. Okay, so this was the opening candle of the 430. Okay, so last, if you check the last previous Friday, you can see there was an NFP news. Market just created a hype, right? So first of all we need a candle close below of this low. Okay, then we will get a change of character. After that, if we get a break of structure, then we can expect a correction from this zone. Okay, so after that we can expect the correction into nearest 3500 level. Almost this is the zone. Okay, after that we can again expect the next wave that will be happen like again 4 hour time frame, and if you check the Elliott 1.618, yeah, so this is 0 1 2 3 4 5, it's like this moment we can find. Okay, so and also you can see an XABCD pattern also forming there. So this is the one scenario that we can expect for the coming week. So after coming here we can expect this fifth wave again. Okay, maybe that will be a simple break, or maybe market will create a divergence here also. That's a possible. Okay, or again market will hunt the 2.618 wave. Market will be expanded, the wave will be expanded. Okay, so this as of now we can only expect this kind of correction, because you can see the second wave was very deeper. So this wave we can't expect as a deeper movement like a discount zone. So at least we can expect nearest 382 or 30% discount only we can expect. Okay, 30% or 38%, that is the zone what we are expecting, and again we can expect a bull run in gold. Okay, yes. Oh, 43 people are there. Okay, so this is the moment we are expecting in gold. Okay, and this is a trend line, but we can't expect to this zone. Okay, if market again come, then that will be like a leading diagonal format, but as of now we can only expect this kind of movement. Okay, so this is one possible movement for the coming week. Okay, so what is the next possible movement? Okay, how maybe market will, just what I am expecting, this is one moment, just take a screenshot. Okay, this is only one scenario in gold. Okay, so the second scenario, so I'm just downloading this page. Okay, if you want the screenshot, I will share through community. Okay, through the my WhatsApp, just message me a WhatsApp, then I will share. Okay, so the what will be the next moment if market didn't get a, if we didn't get a change of character from this zone? See, this moment area is very important. You can see, yeah. Okay, this area is very important for the market. So what I am expecting, you can see a break of structure movement here, right? This is like a, look like a, it's not a strong break of structure. There is no higher probability for this break of structure. Okay, but before it was a higher probability break of structure, market correctly came to the discount, and again market created a higher high, and we can see the previous impulse correction was 0.618, right? So if you take the ABCD, we can measure the wave. This is 0, A, B, C, and D we can expect till on this zone. Okay, on 0.618. So this is the movement we can expect. So I'm just marking as a red. So what is the second scenario? Second scenario, we can expect same like this. What I'm taking, I'm just taking 50% of the previous impulse, or 382, and this zone will act as a support. This zone will act as a support, 382.5 zone. Okay, so after that we can expect the market, if market didn't create the change of character, then we can expect market will tap here and touch here, then we can expect into this zone. This is the second scenario that we can expect in the coming week. Okay, this because this is 1 hour candle, right? So in a day there is 23 hours in gold market. So if I take the calculator, there is a 5 trading days. 5 into 23 is 115 hours, right? So 115 hours will be, just a second, that is, there should be a 115 candles, right? So that will be like 80, 90, 98, 90, yeah, till this we can expect the this week movement. Almost just putting the vertical line, almost, yeah, Friday. Oh, so next Friday, this is 7 p.m. Yeah, here this week market will close here, right? So this movement also we can expect, or if market directly came to the into this zone, then we can expect this movement. So this is the prediction for the coming week in gold. Okay, so if you guys have any doubt, you can ask through the live chat. Okay, so this is the moment what I am expecting in the coming week in gold. So this is all related to XABCD and ABCD. It's a very simple matter, and the all trend is based on the Elliott wave. Okay, so yeah. So next weekend comes to some Bitcoin. Okay, so just downloading this. If you want the screenshot, I will share. Just put a message. Okay, so next weekend comes to the Bitcoin. So still we can see, as we discussed in the last Sunday, see, market didn't created the change of character. See, still market is struggling to break the previous lower high. So here we can see that the previous impulse was this, and the correction was almost nearest 382, right? Okay, so I'm taking an XAUUSD plotting. uh -huh. 886 market reversal, and this is 113. Okay, and also we can see the OLM is very low in the market, and still my long position is, you can see guys, if you are in our live trade community, you can see I already put this order in our community. Okay, in our live trade community you can see my order is still in pending. Still I am expecting market will come and collect my order. Okay, now you can see market is creating a flat pattern like a triangle pattern here. Okay, so after breaking this pattern, still what I am expecting, market will collect my order and market will go up. Okay, everyone will be like me, right? This moment I am expecting. Okay, so what will be another scenario? So another scenario will be, you can see market will collect the previous low, that is a equal low. Okay, market will collect the liquidity and create this high. See, next month is October, right? So October for the crypto guys, October is not October, October is October. Okay, October for me, October is not October, October is October for crypto guys. Okay, because every, if you check the previous months, all the things you can see for Bitcoin traders or crypto traders, October month is October month. We can expect a bull run in every October market. Okay, if you check every month, every year, October month what happened, market was bullish. Okay, so you can see this is September, almost September 88th, right? So this dip what I am expecting, market will collect, and this will be the October. After the September month will be almost, I think this month market will be consolidated, and this October will start from here. Okay, so mark my word, for me October is October. Okay, so bro, any possibility for Nvidia shares? See, I am not a share trader. So I'm one of our senior mentor Raghav sir is a US market trader. He is also a share trader. If you message to my number, then unlocking the power of blockchain. Okay, if you message me, then I will give my Raghav sir number. Then you can directly connect it with him, because he know the GAN very well, so he can predict the price of Nvidia share for the coming days, or in dates. As per the date, he can predict the price shares. Okay, so this is the movement for the Bitcoin. Okay, and also if I comes to the Ethereum, still I think this moment we already predicted in the last weekly forecast. Still we can expect this moment, that is, see here there was a 335 correction. See here what happened is there was a 535 correction, and now market is looks like it's like a running flat. Okay, running flat pattern, and you can see now we can take this as a 0. We see 1.272. Still this moment is valid for the ETH, and there is a lot of positive news for the Ethereum holders. And there was a huge news today I am uploaded in our blockchain community, right? So let me take blockchain. Yes, there was a breaking news that Fidelity launches tokenized US Treasuries fund on Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so Fidelity launches tokenized US Treasuries fund on Ethereum. That is a high impact news, and that's a positive news for the Ethereum holders. Okay, so this moment we can expect in Ethereum. And Euro GBP, I think we can expect a bull run. Now market is just consolidating. Now previous day we put an trade in Euro GBP. That target is also hit, and this was the entry price, and we exited from this level. Again market came to our entry price. Again market hit the target. Okay, so for the Euro GBP, what I'm expecting, market will collect Thursday low, Friday low, and will collect and go up. This is the moment I'm expecting in Euro GBP. Okay, so next next comes to the USD JPY. USD JPY, I have a sell limit, but market didn't take my sell limit. I think it is already given the community. Now market is consolidating, and market just collect the previous month high in September, and market is coming down. So what I am expecting in USD JPY, this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will happen, and again after that we can expect this for up. So this is the moment I am expecting in USD JPY. Okay, so Ashok, yes, US oil please. Okay, yeah, US oil, yeah. Yes, see here you can see market is daily time frame. We can take, there's a high selling volume is there, and that means see 1 2 3 4. Okay, now it's like a 0 1 2 3 4 correct. So just take XABCD, X A B C 1.13 will be very huge. But 7886, yeah, perfect. So here what we can do, we can expect this buy. This should be a buy. It's a good buy. After breaking this wedge pattern, we can go for a buy, but wait to break this level. After collecting the previous low, market need a change of character and break of structure, then we can expect this buy. In US oil, yes, yeah. So this is the moment we are expecting in US oil. Okay, so now we are discussed about gold, Bitcoin, and USD JPY, Euro GBP, US oil, Ethereum. Okay, so this is the analysis for today. Today we are a little late, and I hope most of the major and commodity crypto all we are covered right now. Okay, if you have any question you can ask me, then I will reply. Hi, help me with the silver please. Okay, I'm not a fan of silver, but I will analyze. Okay, just take another chat. ഇല്ലേ 37 പേരല്ലേ, 12 മണിയായി. നിങ്ങളെ സമ്മതിച്ചിട്ടോ, ഈ സമയത്തും ലൈവ് കാണാനെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങളെ കഴിവ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഈ മാർക്കറ്റിനെ അത്രത്തോളം സ്നേഹിക്കുന്നു എന്നാണ് അല്ലേ. ഇനി ഈ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ വല്ല ട്രേഡും ഉണ്ടോ, അതാണ് ഈ സമയത്ത് ഇങ്ങനെ വന്ന് നിൽക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് കംസ് ടു ദി സിൽവർ XAUUSD. Okay, silver, yes, this moment I think mid of the August reversal. See, every day I'm telling to my students that market will reverse on Friday, see, on Wednesday. This is the mid of the week, right? Yeah, see, same like 2 4 hour, right? Okay, so why I told you that market will reverse on tomorrow, or there should be a small correction in the first scenario. See, if I take when I'm taking my downloads, this was the first screenshot. See, we are expected this correction, right? This was the first scenario in gold. So why I take that, we can see a silver divergence there. Okay, that's why. See here, market took the previous high. The silver didn't take the previous high, but in gold you can see that market just took the previous high, right? So I'm taking forward chart. Here you can see there's a silver and gold divergence. You can see this, and here you can see this. Okay, so after breaking this moment, or after breaking this triangle, we can expect the correction. So I'm expecting a fall, but market on Monday market will be consolidated, right? Then we can expect this moment. Actually I don't know, but market needs to comes to the discount zone, right? So here you can see here all market came to the discount. Even if you check the equilibrium level, market just took nearest equilibrium level, or even market took the discount here, right? But in this case market didn't comes to the discount zone, or even we can expect the 786 also, but as of now we can only say 618 after breaking this pattern. This is the moment I am expecting in silver. Gold correction, will it reverse to 3450? I have a sell position, should I still hold it? Shams Siddiqui. See, why you sell gold? That's my question. Okay, without stop loss don't trade. Okay, don't ask me should I hold or nothing. Okay, because is it right time for a cocoa? Please don't. സുമേഷ് വലൂർ തൊടി എന്താണ് ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത് മനസ്സിലായില്ല. കൊക്കോ, ഓക്കെ. ഒന്ന് ക്ലാരിറ്റി എടുക്കാം. അതിനു മുമ്പ് ഒരാൾ ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് എന്താണ് ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് എടുക്കാം. ഷാംസ്, gold correction, will it reverse or 3? See, even if market came to maximum, I can expect only 3500, but we want to sit a meeting, right? Shams, don't ask me should I hold, because if you have a sell position you should close into your maximum loss. Okay, you whenever you are going for a trade, you should have a maximum loss. Okay, for example, if you have a $5,000, your maximum loss should be $200. That is the only, or if 3%, okay, 150. Once market reaches, your loss reaches to $150, you should close the trade. But it's happened sometime because we are humans, right? So we can sit for that. Okay, Rajesh R, I can explain gold because I was late. See, this is a recorded live trade weekly forecast. Once after closing this live session, you can just go back to the video will be saved in YouTube. You can watch. Okay, Rajesh. So my question to Shams. Okay, so if you have any, how many lots you have currently? Okay, thanks, Mujeeb sir. Noted. Okay, thank you. So see, Shams, I just send me the screenshot. My number will be in community. I think I understood you. Understand? This is Shams. Okay, just send me a message. Okay. See, 3450 is 3500. That we can expect. But 3450 as of now. But market will definitely reach that position. But as of now, we can't expect, because I see what happened that in NFP market the US dollar was very negative, right? So why stock market is going up still? See, if you are checking, I'm taking US 100. Let me take US 100. See, so I'm taking a daily time frame. You can see there is no crash happened. See, what is the reason? Okay, see, whenever the US dollar is getting negative, then what happened? The stock market will also crash, or US stock market will also crash. So why market didn't make a low, or why the stock market didn't crash in the last Friday, or there is only a small movement, right? See, the problem is there is a news that the interest rate will cut, right? So people are parking their money into stocks. That's why the market is uh, the US 100 and the stock market is not crashing. Okay, so there's a news that everyone is saying that the interest rate will cut, right? സ്വാഭാവികമായിട്ടും എന്താവും ഗോൾഡിലോട്ടൊക്കെ, ഗോൾഡ് അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് കയറുന്നത്, അത് വേറെ കാര്യം. പക്ഷേ അതുകൊണ്ട് എന്താണ്, സ്വാഭാവികമായിട്ടും സേഫ് ഹേവൻ അസറ്റിലോട്ട് ഫണ്ട് കയറുന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം. പക്ഷേ എന്തുകൊണ്ട് സ്റ്റോക്ക് മാർക്കറ്റ് എന്താവുന്നില്ല, ക്രാഷ് ആവുന്നില്ല, ഈവൻ US ഡോളർ നെഗറ്റീവായിട്ടും? കാരണം എന്താണ്, ആളുകൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, നല്ല നല്ല സ്റ്റോക്കിലോട്ടൊക്കെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, ഫണ്ട് പാർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ബോണ്ടായിട്ടോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ബാങ്കിലിട്ടോ കാര്യമില്ല. ഓക്കെ, യാ, യെസ്, കൊക്കോ ട്രേഡിംഗ് വിൽ ബി, യാ, യു ക്യാൻ വെയിറ്റ് ഒക്ടോബർ. യെസ്, ഫാറൂഖ്. യോ, so if you have any other question you can ask me, I am ready to reply. Okay, yes, Shams. Okay, yes, okay. So everything is good. If you have any doubt, if you want any help regarding to the trading, you can just message me. Once I am free, I will connect with you. Okay, so thank you for joining this night. It's a very late night, but okay, it will help you for your better trading career. Okay, so thank you for joining. Good night all. Thank you.